How to fix CapCut issues like no internet connection or templates not working like that. In order to do that, you need a CapCut account and good VPN. Let's say if you don't have any CapCut account, you need to create one from browser. In order to do that, connect to the VPN where CapCut is available. I recommend you to use Turbo VPN or Speed VPN or any good VPN like Express VPN if possible. Next, open Chrome browser, search for CapCut sign up. Now you can see official CapCut.com sign up page. Click it. Now try to sign up here using email or Facebook, whatever the preferred choice you choose. Create an account. Later, try to force stop the CapCut application and open it. Go to profile me, tap to login, sign in with email or Facebook. Now after sign in completed, select the settings icon, scroll down, enable business creator mode. Now everything is done. You can use CapCut peacefully. So if you have any issues while using CapCut, then you need to follow these simple steps. For example, force stop the CapCut application by long pressing the CapCut icon from home and force stop it. Or you can simply clear that CapCut from recent tab and make sure you connect to the VPN while using it. And second thing, login. Third, make sure you enable the business creator mode so that you can use features. Also, I recommend you to use VivaCut or VN application for video editing purpose in case of failure of CapCut in future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.